Hey guys, this is Robin White. I'm the owner of Time to Task and a WordPress website designer. And today I wanted to show you how to make an update to your WordPress website. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and you can see over here at the left, next to updates, there is a little number 1. And that means that I have one update that needs to be made. So if we click on updates, it will bring me in a section where I can actually make the updates, and we can see what actually needs to be updated. So at the top you can see I have the latest version of WordPress. So WordPress itself does not need to be updated. One of my plugins needs to be updated, and my themes are all up to date. So you can see here that my plugin that needs to be updated is Elementor. And in order to do that, all I have to do is click the box next to the plugin that needs to be updated, and then click on the box below that says Update Plugins. It will go ahead and make the update. Let me know that all updates have been completed. Just a couple of tips about updates and why they're so important to your WordPress website. The number one reason that you want to keep on top of your updates, and I personally recommend doing them on a weekly basis and also doing them manually and not setting them to automatic, is because updates generally have security fixes in them. They're going to help prevent hackers from getting into your website. The other reason you want to do updates is it keeps you with the latest version of that update, offering improved features, and updates are also made to be compatible with the newest version of WordPress. So updates you'll want to make are to WordPress core, your theme, and your plugins, and they're very important to stay on top of. You'll also want to check your website very carefully after you make updates. Sometimes there can be conflicts with different updates, plugins not working together. It's also a really good idea, if you're able to back up your website before making any updates, and possibly even making the updates in a staging environment, not on a live website, so you can see if there's any problems before you push the updates through to your live website. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, it would be great if you could click subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.